Today we're unboxing Nyammy while I discuss the drama. I haven't been watching Wonderful Precure because of the drama. I don't usually talk about drama a lot, but basically this drama started happening all because I started explaining about my friend. So yeah, let's just unbox her. I don't want to explain more because it's been draining my mental health. I haven't been watching Wonderful because of this drama. Only on episode something. It's like 26 or something. I don't know. Okay. So I love how in the show they started setting a statement here and there. Okay, so get her out already. Ooh, yeah, she has Saran. Ooh, damn. Her Saran is insane. Okay. Oh my gosh. So she has Saran. Okay. Oh, her shoes are stuck. Hold on a minute. Not my fault. Precure doll has like shoes that are this bad. Not that bad, but actually the reason why I said they're bad is because they're like stuck like that. Hold on. I'm getting Cure Wonderful in the mail, so yeah. But she's out of her box already, so here she is, Cure Nyammy. She has a gorgeous Saran here. So just put this on her. She doesn't have sleeves, which is disappointing. So yeah. Oh yeah, that documentary video. Oh my gosh, I get it. Y'all hate me. So here she is. Can she bend a little? Okay. Sorry, this video is kind of fast paced. It's just, I just want to get this over with, you know. So there's Kiriyami. She's super cute. Now we need to get her little weapon, which is the Emily hat tambourine. It's like a tambourine. I know the name. It's just kind of hard to pronounce. It's like shiny Emily tambourine, I believe. I'm not a fake fan. I'm not LARPing. Just know that. It's just really tiring to remember things. It's just a recycle of Kier Lillian's thing. Okay, keeping her box. Oh my gosh. Let me just keep her. Okay, so I managed to get her box undamaged. So yeah, let me just put her in the box there. Anyways, so let me do a quick close up on her. So yeah. Okay, so I believe she has a little tambourine. She has yellow and blues everywhere on her dress. Sorry, I have to film this fast because my phone is almost gonna die. She has a bow on with the crown on there, and she has like blue to teal eyes with yellow, and she also has like ruffles and a sleeve, a dress with bows and some string and some blues and yellows. Then she has a little, if you don't know, she has little like fishnets under. She has socks with bows and like stripes on them, and then she has shoes. So she also has her wonderful pack and her tambourine. So yeah, thanks for watching. This video is really fast paced. Um, I this is the last video before cancellation city. So yeah, bye.